That was that?
That was back in there.
That was that?
That was back in there. Chimes. Chimes. Show us where you're at. Show us where you're at. Who's here? Come on.
Is she doing Essie's now?
Yeah.
Can you talk to Val for us?
Relax.
Did you just hear something too before she did that?
Yeah.
Before she said that?
True fact.
Yeah. Keep hearing things.
Come on down here.
Listen, Chris.
Who's Chris? Are you going to the principal's office?
What happened?
You need to come this way.
Did you hear that?
Yeah.
It was from the IT room.
Yeah.
That click was
Yeah.
from the IT room.
I heard it was like a metallic sound. It's like ding. Can you do that again,
I can
please?
still see.
You can see us.
You might be.
You tell us your name.
Is that in there? No.
You're one. You're so cool.
Come out of that room.
It would be ironic that because I turned the camera on my face.
Ooh, I
You're
hear that
so
same
cool.
female voice we heard in the gym.
What'd you say?
She heard the same voice she
In the
heard
background.
in the gym in the background.
We were harmed.
Who harmed you?
Insane.
Come over this way. Where are you? I don't believe you're here. Come down the stairs again.
Possessed.
No. You're not possessed.
You're okay.
No one's afraid of you. Doesn't scare anybody. Come see these pretty lights. Tell Val your name.
It's over.
No, it's not over.
We just started talking.
Can I ask it to tap her on?
Spelling.
Can I ask it to tap her on the shoulder?
Yeah.
EFG.
H-I-J.
Homework.
Come over. Is that you?
Nope.
No.
Come on over here. Come on over here.
Impossible.
Come. Come touch Val on the shoulder.
I got a D.
Can you step away from that? Come our way.
Step away from that.
Personal.
Come on over here. Come over here.
Jesus.
You know what, man? I wouldn't lift it off the ground because it might be
Well, would have already done that.
the floor.
Yeah.
It's so cold.
Improvise.
I reset it to start it.
Important is important again.
Yeah, but it has the pads on it. So
It's been sitting on the floor. It should have been going up from the beginning, right?
You know.
Yeah, because it has the pads on the bottom of it, so it shouldn't affect it.
And there's no
I'll
dust.
let you decide.
She's still over talking to him. So yeah, it shouldn't be an issue. And those are two brand new batteries too. They come out of your case.
Right.
Come over here.
So if they're not, I'm blaming you. No.
Come over here and touch Val. You can touch her on her shoulder, but you can't hurt her. Let her know you're here. Where are you?
What a chair.
We can do
Nothing?
that. Yes.
Come on.
It should still be doing it, because if that was the case, it would still be going.
It's okay. I said you can touch her, but you can't hurt her.
So
Miss
Yeah.
it.
Is that you playing
what
with
I
the
used to
exercise?
do with that at Waverly
Uh-huh.
is I would tell them, if you're not gonna leave it alone, I'm gonna turn it off.
Right.
You pick.
And sometimes they would stop.
So, yeah.
I want you to
Oh,
come.
you were like in the front of it and
Come
Yeah.
downstairs, come through here, and touch Val. Touch her on her shoulder. Let her know you're where you're at. I'm beginning to think you didn't go to school here.
Laugh.
You didn't go to school here, did you? Do you belong here?
You're wrong.
Okay, so you went to school here? Are you a boy or a girl?
It's a demon.
She loves it when it comes through too, because she thinks it's so funny.
Who's a demon? Should Jim let Cindy get a locker? She says yes.
Jim says no.
Record.
Record this.
We are.
Jim doesn't
Speed
see the
demon.
vision.
Speak to me.
Speed demon.
All right. You want us to record for what? Make a noise. Are you not strong enough to do that? Hmm? It's that IR thing.
It's the room.
The light.
No, the
Edibly?
the click noise.
I don't
Yeah.
know what it said.
That's coming from that light up there. The clicking sound.
No, it's
Heaven,
coming out of
God.
that room.
It's coming out of that room, their IT room.
Oh.
Yep.
Okay.
I have a couple balls down there. Can you touch them?
The control room, right?
I don't think you're here anymore.
Bats.
No, there's no bats, but I don't think you're here anymore.
They're scary.
Are they scaring to you? They're scary?
Rats.
Ooh, we don't want that.
I don't want rats.
I'm gonna kill them.
Okay,
Ooh,
okay.
what is
I'll help
happening?
you.
What is happening?
Are you the janitor?
And we're hearing a lot of road noise too. Because
Getting them picking up a lot of that.
She said Chris, right?
Incredible. Bart.
no, she didn't say curse. She said possessed.
No, the name. Didn't she said a name earlier? Did you
Chris.
think she said Chris?
Yeah, she said Chris.
Chris, who are you?
I'm not repeating that.
Oh, come on.
Well, then we know what Chris was. Come walking towards us so I can see you and you can see me.
11:30.
It's like 10.
It's 11:30. No, I'm just kidding.
Is that what time you're coming around? Is that what time you come clean up? afraid of us?
Emotional. Son of a bitch. It's like some bitch.
She's not so loud.
Those headphones are really good.
Mhm.
You can't hear shit.
Mm-hmm. Can you tap her on her shoulder?
Hey.
Tap her on her shoulder so she knows where you're at.
Lisa?
And just to let y'all know, those
Liesel?
headphones are drummer headphones, so you can't hear anything outside of it.
I know you're on the stairs. Come all the way down. Don't you have class to go to?
Oh, maybe that's why they said 11:30.
Oh yeah, maybe.
Not good.
What was that?
That thing, that
A plus.
IR light thing.
W?
X?
Why?
What's the next letter? You can do it.
The four of you.
Yeah, there are four
Yeah,
of
there's
us.
4 of us here.
Do you know our names? I think you're afraid of us. That's why you won't come out.
You smell.
Mm-hmm. Can't walk,
There it is,
can't
can't
walk,
walk.
can't walk, can't walk, can't
Yeah.
walk. Come on down.
Oh, it is.
Come on.
Oh.
I'm so excited. Come on. There it is.
45.
Come on. What's your name?
Friends.
Bring everybody, come down here. Come on. Walk through that door.
I feel like there's like a little kid jumping in and saying funny shit. You should have seen her.
Come on.
What the?
I can see you. Come on.
Nuggets.
Nuggets.
Are you hungry?
Nuggets.
Where are you?
Hi, baby.
Come on up to Val. She's pretty. Come see how pretty she is. She's very pretty.
You got laid.
That's what happens when you're pretty.
We are.
I don't know if you are because I can't see you. Quit hiding behind the door. Come on.
Heads up.
I'm waiting. Come on down.
Deadbeat.
Come down the stairs.
Look at her lips.
Do you want to kiss her? You have to come closer in order to kiss her. Touch her on her shoulder or her hand.
Fat.
No.
That's weird.
Yeah, that's not a way to be friendly to a girl.
That's not nice.
Did somebody just walk past me? I felt super cold breeze right here.
Yes. Not that you can hear me, but yeah.
Oh, oh, oh,
Oh,
What?
oh.
K2.
EMF,
Oh, it's freezing right here.
K2 going off.
I wonder if that's the camera.
I'll move your camera.
No, the camera won't do it. It's your phone. If you have it on.
Come on over. There it is.
Oh, there
dirty.
it goes again.
Come on, come kiss her.
I am present.
Okay, I
Yes,
know,
you
we
are.
can tell you are. Thank you.
Feel this. This is freezing. Like the back of my neck.
Oh, so you're standing by Val?
Oh my god. I didn't repeat some of that.
Oh, what was you getting?
Because
Jizz.
A
and
jizz.
Pussy lips.
That's what you wouldn't say?
It made me laugh. I was like, I'm not repeating that.
well, cat ball was going off.
It just reminded me of a little kid just going.
cat ball
lips.
cat
You
ball
know,
was
it's like
going off
joking.
on the stairs.
Oh, cool.
The
K2.
K2 was going off like crazy.
Yeah, because the camera won't set off. Only the phone will.
So,
And that just went off. It's okay, go
so
over
just
here.
to clarify, during Estes, we have one rule and one rule only. If it has to pertain with race, like the N-word or anything else, that's
There
Cat
it
ball.
is, cat ball again.
that's the only thing we won't say. But Val chose to leave out the word jizz.
Come on in here. Or did you come through the front
It
door?
made me giggle.
Did you come through the front door and go up the stairs?
I felt like I was encouraging them
Is
if I
that-
said it.
Well, keeps
Oh, there's
on.
movement. Oh, that's the light. The exit light blinking.
Come on in here. Come with us. Come see us.
It got like subarctic freezing cold right here at the
Yeah.
end.
I did walk in front of you, just so you're aware.
Okay.
Yeah, when you asked.
There it is again. Go on. Come on in here.
Oh, is that you that?
Cat ball? Yeah, that was me to thump the wall.
Come back in here so we can see where you're at. Or let me see how tall you are. Come here.
She really wants to see how tall you are because she can't grow anymore.
Because I'm old. I stopped growing. I'm the old lady of Facebook.
The old lady at Facebook? What are you talking about?
People of our age.
People of your age? Why don't you tell people how you feel about people of your own age?
I love people of my own age.
Do you? You know what's really funny is in IR, your eyes are black.
My soul.
Like your soul.
Why are you standing in front of so we can't see them?
So the K2 was going off while I was in
K2.
It was, yeah. Right at the end.
And a cat ball now again.
When you were saying you felt the breeze
Come on
on the
down.
back of your neck,
Yeah,
that's when the K2.
that's cool. It was like,
And Vince thought maybe it was his camera, and
Who's in there?
camera won't set it off.
You can come on in here.
something low just moved in the doorway.
Is it Vince's shadow?
No. Can you
No,
move
he's not.
around a little bit? No, it like,
He's not moving.
it came out and peeked out and back in.
Jim, are you recording?
Yes.
It was like way down at the bottom, like somebody like is on their hands and knees looking up.
Come on. I heard that.
Yeah, keep,
Did you hear that?
yeah. It's like talking.
Oh my god, that sounds like bear crying, didn't it?
Yeah.
You think you're afraid of us? If you're not afraid of us, come down the stairs. Don't fall. Hurry up. Time for class. Everyone needs to be in their seat.
Quite a few relevant words.
It literally felt like little kids running up and
Yeah.
saying something funny and then running away.
Did y'all see all those bugs on me?
It reminds me of like those when you have a green light behind or a green screen behind you and they do that.
Like the motion captures.
Mm-hmm.
So now you get in the range, I don't know what's going on.
Right. I think because it was over where you went to and it moved away.
Yeah, probably. Well, now there's no reason for it to go off.
Uh-uh.
That's kind of cool, huh? Makes music.
Can you do it again? Step in front of it. Did you walk right past us and we didn't see you?
You just said sorry, sucker.
That wasn't you.
Nope, I'm over here.
Do you want that other voice, that other
What
app?
the heck was that?
Who's outside?
That app that's got a light. Oh,
Yeah.
light. The app that talks, gives the words.
Oh, necrophonic?
No,
Or spirit
no.
talker?
Is that what it is?
See that again. See that again.
I didn't hear
You
anything.
didn't hear it?
No, Jim, you have headphones that can hear down the block. We can't hear that.
I don't know those.
You hear better than we do. So
No, I was
whatever.
just asking if you can hear
No.
it.
What did you hear?
I keep hearing
What is that
either
one?
a kid or a
See,
kid.
y'all want to take home doors. I want to take home this desk.
What's that one where it says it writes the words?
Spirit talker.
Oh, not. I'm thinking
Spirit.
spirit is
Okay.
spirit talker.
What are you
Look at the
doing?
camera.
What are you
Those
doing?
are good pictures. Hello.
Are you coming into school or going home? I'm about to go upstairs and get my big coat.
Right.
Oh, that's weird.
Fat, ugly. Oh, look at it.
What?
Look careful.
Apple.
Good.
Thank you.
Come again.
Are you coming down the stairs? Come in here. I wish we'd come in here and we could see the shadows on the back. Come on. It's okay. No one's gonna hurt you. Are you afraid? You are?
Hmm.
Don't be afraid. These are my friends. Come on.
Well, let me take the recorder over there real quick.
You know where I would do the recording? In this
Damn, Val.
corner.
It's all up in the camera. I'm kidding.
Dance.
I'm joking.
Dance. Dance. There it is again. Right.
Right.
Tell Val your name. Come on in here.
Second this ball, do you think it's cool?
Thank you for letting us visit with you. Keep doing stuff. There's a box on the floor. Can you get close to that?
Is that you setting that up? Can you tell me your name? Did you go to school here?
Do you want to hear yourself talk?
What?
It's just replaying the
Oh, okay.
digital recorder back.
She doesn't like you.
Who doesn't like me? How come she...
Hell was that?
Was that it?
What?
Was that something or was that...
No.
Oh, it's just
I
playing
know
back.
she's playing it back, but what is it? How can she not like me if she doesn't know me?
You getting any kind of lens flare or anything?
What?
Are you getting any kind of lens flare at all?
I'm frozen.
Lens flare?
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go get my big coat.
Not right now.
No.
Why are you?
I was getting it, yeah.
Is it because you were aiming it at that, that light up there? Because that'll do it, won't it?
It's on.
Yeah. When it goes on, it flares. It'll flare.
Night shot.
Where did you go? Are you cold? Demons.
So bad. What do you say, Jason? On to the next? Man, I cried myself up.
Nice job.
Nice job. On to the
On
next.
to the next.
On to the next.
You want to sit down?
No, I'm just gonna ask it which locker number I should take.
Okay.
So, I bought one of these locker doors, and I can pick whichever one I want. Can you tell me what number I should take? What's your favorite number? That's the one I'll take. This is the Lazy Man's EVP recording.
Is this your locker, or is your locker down here?
Is that you or me?
That was me. That was that. Pass.
That was me. This is that.
What's your favorite number? That's the one I'll take. Nothing.
Nothing.
No.
Nada.
Which one are you taking?
So far, it seems Estes is the only, besides Southern random noises.
69, dude.
You're such a dude.
What do they call it? Electronically assisted mediumship.
All that.